This product is from Cell pH Balance. This is the MosquitoSpell. It's mosquito repellent bands that you wear on your wrist. We do a lot of camping in our RV. You can wear these on your wrist or your ankle, or both if you choose, depending on how buggy it is. I didn't want to open it yet because we're going to use it in 2 weeks. So I've got the picture of the bands on my tablet, as you can see. These actually are microfiber and they're comfortable to wear. They are adjustable. One size basically fits all. There are no side effects because it's 100% non-toxic, and they have a 10-day use. So once you place them on, they're valid for 10 days, or once you take them out of the package, I should say. They're natural essential oils that are infused into the band itself. It's lavender, eucalyptus, citronella, and peppermint. It has a very pleasant fragrance as well. But it's not overpowering, so you're not sitting there smelling that over everything else around you, or other people aren't questioning you what you have on. Again, these are mosquito repellent bands that you wear on your wrist or your ankle. And they're by Cell pH Balance.